So what do you mean by etiquettes, first of all?
Principles that are to be followed.
Principles that we should follow. If we specifically speak of workplace etiquettes, then there are certain things which we need to take care of, right? We can't be what we are at our workplace. We have to take care of manners, of etiquettes, because it conveys a lot of things to our colleagues and to the people who are near to us, right? So today's session is specifically focusing on the etiquettes and the things to take care when we are putting professional emails, as well as when we are calling somebody. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So although very general things, but yes, we need to take care of the things. Now this is why should one follow etiquettes. Okay. So Abhijit, what do you understand by impact? Like it will lead to an impact if we follow etiquettes. So how do you see this thing?
Impact means what does the other person has impression of what we are talking about?
Yes.
Having
yes.
an impression.
Having an
basically.
impression, creating an impression, rather,
Creating an impression.
right?
Yes, yes.
So you can, think of people who are very mannerful, who are very professional. So you always think for them, like you always, distinguish them from others. Yeah, this person is good. He follows these etiquettes, right? He's aware of these things. Then next is it builds trust and loyalty. Is it, Shivam?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you think that if you follow some etiquettes, it will build trust and loyalty?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
How? Can you add on something?
It rapidly build a relationship by the effective communication.
Effective communication, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And
So that's
yeah.
by that we can build a trust and the loyalty.
Okay, so how come loyalty is into the picture?
If we communicate on the time or the time given by the individual,
Right.
by that way we can create loyalty.
True. So loyalty means, for example, if we take an example of an email, right? So I emailed you that this needs to be done in one day and just update me at the end of day. Okay. So if you mail me back, if you like, even the action has happened or not, आपने वो काम किया कि नहीं किया, but you are updating me the status. So I would, trust you more. I would think you as a very loyal person कि चलो काम हुआ नहीं हुआ, at least he took this effort to update me. Okay, so this is
Yes,
trust
ma'am.
and loyalty, communication, because it's completing your two-way communication. Okay, value connections.
वो एक आना चाहिए मिरर और
Tushar,
रहता
Dinesh,
ना
please mute yourself.
शर्ट वर्ट लट करने के लिए
Guys,
Yeah. Okay. So who's gonna tell me this, Shrikant? Value connections.
Hello. Hello, Majay.
Yes, Shrikant.
Nice. Hello. You hear me?
Yeah.
मैम कोई डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है ऑडियो कंटिन्यूअसली.
Yeah, I'm not able to.
कोई होस्ट होगा तो उनको बोलिए.
Palak, are you there? Palak, are you there on this session? If you can make me the host, so I'll take care of this thing.
I think she is not there.
Yeah, she's not there. Chalo, koi nahi.
Yes.
Yes, Shrikant.
Yes, when we follow the etiquettes in business, then it will definitely help to build our connections in a very good manner, as well as that connections will create a valuable impact.
Yes,
Positive
valuable impact. This is a good term which you have used. So value connections simply means कि आपको फर्क पड़ता है, right? You are bothering to make the communication complete and to convey it back on time. Okay, so when you follow etiquettes जैसे email etiquettes, telephone etiquettes, your general etiquettes, so you are valuing the connection, you are giving importance. Therefore, you are bothering to follow those etiquettes. अगर आपको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है तो who bothers it, right? Who bothers about it? lasting first impression is very similar to impact. आप वो कहते हैं ना, first impression is last impression. This is actually very true, very very true. आप एक imagine करिए, suppose you are going at a workplace and you are meeting somebody who is maybe your boss. Okay, so now that boss is not actually looking at you, वो आपकी तरफ देख भी नहीं रहा है. He's just saying कि yeah, okay, take your charge and contact this person and take your seat and start your work. That's it. दूसरी तरफ एक ऐसा बॉस है जो आप जब एंटर हो रहे हैं तो ओके, हैव अ सीट, व्हाट्स योर नेम, दिस एंड दैट, थोड़ा सा आपको इजी किया, राइट, थोड़ा सा आइस ब्रेक किया, एंड देन ही डेलीगेट्स यू टू अ पर्सन हु शोज यू फर्दर थिंग्स, राइट. सो व्हाट वुड बी द इंप्रेशन ऑफ योर बॉस इन फर्स्ट केस? अक्षता?
The previous one was not like very comfortable, and the other one that you recently mentioned is the one that we would feel very free to work with.
Very free, very approachable. Approachable is the term which we use generally. Yeah, he is not approachable. दूरी रहो उससे. That was the first case. Okay, so just first impression, और अब वो आपका एक perception बन गया है. ठीक है, अब हो सकता है वो उस समय बिजी हो सकता है फर्स्ट केस में जो बॉस है आपका वो बिजी हो, टायर्ड हो, एग्जॉस्टेड हो, इसलिए उसने ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं लिया हो. बट द इम्प्रेशन ही क्रिएटेड आउट ऑफ हिज बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड हिज एटिकेट्स. मोहम्मद अली अहमद खान, काइंडली स्विच, काइंडली म्यूट योरसेल्फ. राइट, सो इन दैट केस वो एक फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन जो क्रिएट हुआ वो आपका परसेप्शन बन गया और आप उसको वैसा ही मानोगे अब, राइट? It happens. Okay, so gain respect and gratitude in society. Always those people, this is very simple. Give respect, get respect. आप जैसा बिहेव करेंगे लोग आपको वैसा ही समझेंगे और वैसा ही आपके साथ बिहेव करेंगे. This is the mantra of relationships, right? Professional or personal. Whatever you give, you get it back. Okay, so gain respect and gratitude by giving respect and acknowledging. Okay, so this was very basic things, very basic, that what's the importance of business etiquettes, not only business, apart from business, in your social life also, right? So see, this is a very beautiful definition of this thing, importance of business etiquette, that it creates a professional, mutually respectful atmosphere and improves communication, which helps an office serve as a productive place. Right, so communication, as we all know, plays a very very important part at your workplace, and if done properly, following the etiquettes, it would be, the atmosphere around you would be very productive and very positive. Okay, so we'll start with the phone etiquettes first, and then who's there?
Sunil.
Yes, Venkata. Yes, Sunil.
My name is Sunil, ma'am. The doubt is like if our first impression is not necessarily good, if it's for some reason bad, then what do we do to undo it?
To undo it, you have to, try it constantly for undoing it, right? Suppose you get that thing कि अरे यार ये गड़बड़ हो गई और अब ये मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोच रहा है. So there has to be a series of small steps and actions wherein you are trying to rebuild your image and trying to explain that person that, see, this was not me, this happened due to which I was like this at the first time, but I'm not this, right? And genuinely, if you're not that person, eventually people will get to know you. Okay, so first impression होता है, बहुत impactful होता है, perception भी बनता है, but ऐसा नहीं है कि वो lifetime impression हो गया. People do change, their behaviors do change. कई बार पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव होता है, नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव भी हो जाता है. फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन में लगेगा वाह यार, व्हाट अ मैन ही इज, इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग, इतना ये, इतना वो. सी द वे ही इज कम्युनिकेटिंग, so you get very impressed, very flattered, and then eventually you feel and you observe कि he is not good amongst his colleagues, he is not giving respect. तो वो क्या होगा फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन का? नहीं रहेगा वो, राइट? सो इवेंचुअली जो आपका जेन्युइन नेचर होता है वर्क प्लेस पे तो वो सामने आता ही है. ओके, so that's not an issue, and if you feel कि ऐसा आपके साथ हुआ है, so there has to be an effort from your side. Okay,
Actually हुआ है मैम.
Okay.
Actually, in this very class itself, it happened. I
In
mean,
this class only.
yeah, Tuesday. Last week, इसी time पर unfortunately I unmuted myself, and then some conversation happened between me and my brother, and everyone listened. So I guess I just didn't want to give the wrong impression to everyone. So I thought maybe I must do something to undo that.
So due to this message, Sunil has very clearly stated, kindly do not misunderstand me. Okay. And that might have been the first impression which you all might have made. So kindly reconsider it. Right, Sunil?
Yeah, I'm sorry for what happened last week, all my friends, and I'm sorry for what happened last week, ma'am.
That's okay. And that's a good gesture, Sunil, that you acknowledge this thing and you have that, strength in yourself to accept this thing. That's okay. Okay, let's
Thank
move
you.
forward. Now, see, this image in itself is communicating a lot of things to you, right? So we'll see them in detail further as well. So answer on the third ring. So this is an average time of answering a call. Not too early, not too late. हो सकता है फर्स्ट कॉल सेकंड कॉल किसी ने आपको गलती से कॉल कर दिया और आप एकदम फोन उठा ले, क्वाइट पॉसिबल, राइट? सो थर्ड रिंग इज
Good
एन
evening, ma'am.
एवरेज. Yes, Diksha, good evening. Do you have something to ask? Okay, it was just good evening. All right. So answer on the third ring. Then now what do you get by this second thing? Good morning, Cyprus Tech, Jim speaking. So what is this right hand side image communicating? What should we do? How should we answer a call? Yes. So like the moment you take up a call, you have to identify yourself. If you're calling someone, you'll have to tell, no, मैं कहाँ से बोल रहा हूँ, कौन बोल रहा हूँ. ठीक है? So this is like a phone etiquette. Then take detailed messages. If you're on an office call, your official call, you have to sit with pen and paper. All right. Don't leave people on hold. ये अपन बाद में discuss करते हैं. और filler words क्या होते हैं? जब हमें एकदम से सूझता नहीं है ना कि next क्या बोलना है, तो हम लोग filler words use करते हैं, right? So ये reduce होना चाहिए. This irritates people. Okay. All right. So this was just the cover slide. We'll see them in detail now. So why is telephone etiquette important? Again, the same things which we discussed. आपका impression है, आपको सामने वाले को engage करना है. You have to engage them, right? So you don't want to sound boring. You don't want your call to be cut in between. So there are certain things which you need to take care. All right. So it presents a professional image. It enhances credibility. For example, Shrikant, you're a consultant, right? Shrikant, where are you? All right. So, for example, if anybody has his own business, okay, and somebody calls to me to take my this services, then the first impression which I create by taking that call, see the tone. If I say you are calling me for taking my consultancy, and I am just picking up the call and I'm saying, hello. Hello. Does it sound professional?
No, ma'am. No, it
Of
doesn't.
course not. आपको लगेगा कहाँ phone कर लिया, right? And then if I say, hello, yeah, this is Garima from Curo Minds. How may I help you? Is it sounding professional?
Yes, it is.
exactly.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. So same things, same hello word and different tones, right? So it creates an impression, enhances credibility of your message. आप कई बार क्या होता है, जैसे ये बाईजूस वाले कॉल करते हैं अपन को, बैंक्स वाले कॉल करते हैं, कई कॉल्स तो हमें ऐसा लगता है सुनते ही काट दो, राइट? और कुछ कॉल्स हमें लगता है कि यार he might be talking sense, let's give a minute to him, right? ऐसा क्यों होता है? डिफरेंस इन बिहेवियर क्यों आएगा? वो सामने वाला आपसे किस लहजे में, किस टोन में बात कर रहा है, that will make us to hold a call or to cut a call, right? And then it increases satisfaction and decreases escalations. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Escalations decrease करना. अगर
To
आप प्रॉपर
increase to increase the service, the customer service that we provide, satisfaction and resolution as well.
एंड रेजोल्यूशन, यस, अगर आप फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन में ही कस्टमर को सेटिस्फाई कर देंगे, इवन अगर आपसे सॉल्व भी नहीं हो रही है प्रॉब्लम, बट आप उसको ये, यस, ओके, सो बट आप उसको ये कॉन्फिडेंस दिला देंगे, ठीक है, आई विल गेट बैक टू यू विद द सॉल्यूशन, तो वो एस्केलेशन रुक जाएगा. बट अगर उसको फर्स्ट इंटरफेस पे ही प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा है, देन डेफिनेटली ही विल ट्राई टू अप्रोच योर सुपीरियर. ओके, so what are the 7 P's, 7 important P's for this thing of call excellence? I call it call excellence. So first is prepared. What do you mean by prepared? Deeksha, can you tell me? We are discussing the 7 P's of call excellence, that is etiquettes, and the first thing is prepared, right? So what do you get by this thing? That you should be prepared. Yes, Deeksha? You can unmute yourself.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. So Shivam, do you want to tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The
Deeksha,
first
mute
is
yourself.
the first P is prepared.
Prepared.
If we call someone and they ask anything about our field or our domain, we should have our knowledge. That means we have prepared to tell
Yes.
to that person whatever he asks.
Yes. So in workplace, in official places, हम जब भी किसी को कॉल कर रहे हैं for some reason, we need to have a preparation behind it. I need to have all the details with me. मुझसे कोई भी कुछ भी पूछ सकता है ना, so I need to collect the information. I need to sit with it, right? ऐसा नहीं होगा कि अच्छा शिवम ने मुझसे कुछ पूछा, अच्छा ठीक है आप ये करते हैं, so what about this? What are the charges? अच्छा अच्छा होल्ड, अरे चार्जेस क्या है, राइट? फिर शिवम बोला अच्छा ये चार्जेस है, ओके ओके. देन उसका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आया कि कोई डिस्काउंट्स मिलेंगे, तो सर एक मिनट हाँ पूछ के बताती हूँ, राइट? देन आई आस्क माय कलीग, अरे कोई डिस्काउंट्स है क्या, राइट? फिर शिवम थर्ड क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, अच्छा डिस्काउंट्स है, ओके, बट व्हाट इफ आई अवेल इट 1 वीक आफ्टर? सर 1 more second प्लीज, राइट? सो आई एम नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, मेरे को प्रोसेस ही नहीं पता है, मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि क्या हो सकता है क्या नहीं हो सकता है. सो दिस कॉल्स फॉर प्रिपरेशन. ओके, एंड सेकंड इज प्रेजेंट. प्रेजेंट मतलब एक्टिव लिसनिंग, जो अपन ने डिस्कस किया था. यू हैव टू बी प्रेजेंट ऑन द कॉल एक्टिवली, यू हैव टू लिसन टू इट. सिर्फ बोलना ही बोलना नहीं होता है, इट्स अ 2-way कम्युनिकेशन. यू हैव कॉल्ड फॉर अ पर्पस, तो आप उसके भी लिमिटेशन और चैलेंजेस आपको सुनने हैं, राइट? पोलाइट, ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू बी पोलाइट. वो जो अपने पास कॉल्स आते हैं कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप एग्जीक्यूटिव्स के, कितना प्रेशर होता है उन पर, वो कितना सुनते हैं लोगों से, फिर भी वो पोलाइटली हमसे बात करते हैं, राइट? दे हैव टू बी, नहीं तो हम उनकी बात ही नहीं सुनेंगे. आप कितना भी चिल्ला ले रिचार्ज वालों के ऊपर, जियो एयरटेल वालों के ऊपर, सर ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, मे आई हेल्प यू सर, आप उसको कितना भी डांट दोगे, लास्ट में वो ये एक चीज जरूर आपसे बोलेगा. क्या बोलेगा? क्या मैं आपकी और कोई मदद कर सकता हूँ, क्या मैं आपकी और कोई सेवा कर सकता हूँ? आप उस पर कितना भी चिल्ला लो, ही हैज टू बी पोलाइट, अदरवाइज उसका काम नहीं चलेगा, राइट? पेशेंट, you all know patience is a big thing when you are on a telephone call, especially in workplace, especially for those people who are into telecalling business. These things relate more to them. Okay, personable का क्या मतलब है? This I want to understand. Who will tell me? Personable, you need to be personable while calling.
Personable means whenever we are speaking on call with the other person, we should always address them with their name.
Yes, very true. You should try to make a connect with them. So once you address them with their name, they'll have a connection. For example, I am calling you and I know your name. ठीक है? So ठीक है, आपका फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन हो जाए, उसके बाद आई कैन कॉल यू विथ योर नेम, और मिस्टर सुनील So as we had a talk in the first call, so what are your thoughts upon it? How do you want to take this thing forward? So once I start mentioning your name, you would be sort of connected. Okay, so it's important quality to make your calls personable. Professional, yes. आप कोई social गप्पे तो मारोगे नहीं workplace पे? Of course, you have to be professional. Okay. आप जब साइन ऑफ करोगे तो आप लव यू करके थोड़ी ना बोलोगे, जैसे फ्रेंड्स को बोलते हैं अरे यार मिस यू, लव यू. नो, राइट? थैंक्स, रिगार्ड, बेस्ट विशेस, व्हाटएवर, लाइक द फॉर्मल ग्रीटिंग्स. Proactive, what do you mean by proactive? Sunil, can you tell me?
We must be trying to engage the if we are taking a customer call, we should be trying to engage the customer in every possible way with related to the subject and make that person comfortable, so that the person can clearly express their doubts and we can solve them.
Absolutely. So if you are feeling कि वो सामने वाला अपनी बात नहीं बता पा रहा है या उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या बोले, maybe you can offer him 2 to 3 options कि okay sir you can do this, or might be if this is possible for you you can do this. तो हम आगे से proactive होकर उसको engage करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Okay, so these are the 7 P's of call excellence: prepared, present, polite, patient, personable, professional, and proactive. Yes, Sunil.
One particular situation.
You want to ask something?
Yeah, I have one particular situation. 1 minute. I have one particular situation that I've come across in my life. I'll finish it as soon as possible. I just need an advice. I've been talking to one guy who was supposed to come and repair my dish. I mean, set-top box. And that guy, and I'm stay in an isolated area in the city. And that guy talks to me rudely. So, but I have something an important program that I'm supposed to that I have on TV, and I don't want this fellow to go, but I want to do something about this. So what should I do? Should I escalate the issue, or should I just bear with it as a customer?
No, as a customer you have complete right to escalate the issue if the person who was responsible is not answering to your problem.
Yeah, he was rude, man.
Right. So the entire team works for customer satisfaction, and you have an upper hand. Okay, so you have tried to be polite, you have communicated to him, and he is being rude to you, and you are not getting the answers to your solution. So is it time for escalation? As simple as that.
So the best thing is let the set-top box be repaired and then escalate it.
If that's possible, that's true.
Okay, thank you. That's all I wanted to ask.
But you should bring this thing to the management, because you know he might be getting this business to lose from many ends. So this is okay. This is fair enough. Okay. So these are the 7 P's. Clear? Should we move ahead? Acha, one thing before moving ahead, just tell me the amount of English and Hindi I have to use, or is it going fine?
Anything will do, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is going fine.
It's fine.
It is going fine.
It's fine.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, hi Garima. I'm just, I'm so sorry to interrupt you. Guys, whatever the query you have, you don't worry about it. Question and answer, sessions, we will do it. Last में हम 15 minutes का time लेके, then we'll definitely resolve your query. Don't worry about it, okay?
Okay.
All right, okay. So please concentrate on sessions. अभी आप sessions पे concentrate करो. We'll definitely give 15 minutes before wrap up this session, and you will, whatever the query you have, you can sort out. No problem. You can definitely give this information. No problem.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So these are very 5 crucial pointers, although as and when we have discussed few of them. So what are the general telephone etiquettes? We'll go through them quickly. Answer quickly. As that picture was depicting, answer on the 3rd ring. उससे ज़्यादा आप करोगे तो लोगों को लगेगा either you are not available or you're not interested. Okay. Greet. Of course, आप किसी भी time of day पे मतलब call आपकी accept कर रहे हैं, you have to greet. Then you have to identify yourself. Identify yourself मतलब आपका introduction देना कि आप कहाँ से हैं, कौन बोल रहे हैं, right? If you are calling somebody, introduce yourself. Purpose of call. You need to state the purpose of call. कई लोगों की आदत होती है कि वो बहुत है ना इधर उधर से जाके घुमा फिरा के फिर वो अपने ऑब्जेक्टिव पर आते हैं. बट इफ इट्स एन ऑफिशियल कॉल, इट्स अ पर्सनल कॉल, ये होता है, ये सोशल कॉल्स में तो बहुत ही होता है, हम एकदम से पॉइंट पे नहीं आते हैं। अपने फ्रेंड से कोई काम है और यार क्या हाल है, बहुत दिनों से तुमने बात नहीं करी, दिखता ही नहीं है आजकल, राइट, ये सब चलता है और फिर काम की बात निकलती है। दैट्स ओके, क्योंकि आप एक अपना बैकग्राउंड बना रहे हो, बट दैट is applicable for your social setup and the kind of relation you have with that person. But अगर हम workplace की बात करें, you have to make your objective clear on the phone in the beginning itself. So this is me and I'm calling from this and I have called you regarding these services of ours. So would you be interested in taking it? Right? No point in lingering upon the things. Purpose, speak clearly, you have to be clear while communicating. So हमने जो वो C's of communication पढ़े थे, you have to be clear, concise, right? So you have to be very clear, give full attention. This is very, very important while you are on the telephone call. When we are sitting face to face, things are easier to understand, but when we are telephone, so there would be noise, हो सकता है network noise हो सकता है channel noise हो. So you have to be loud and clear, okay? Stay positive and remain polite. So politeness तो की है ही आपके official calls की, and stay positive as in अपना attitude हम positive रखेंगे तो things would work. अगर आपने फोन करने से पहले यार ये तो आज तो ऐसे ही मानेगा ही नहीं, ये तो बात पता ही है मुझे, आप उसी माइंडसेट से कॉल कर रहे हो, तो जो चीज पॉजिटिव आपके पास आने वाली है वो भी यू वुड नॉट बी एबल टू कॉइन इट, ओके? देन इंट्रा ऑफिस मीन्स what about the phones in the office? Don't hover outside someone's workstation. कई लोगों की आदत होती है टेलीफोन लेके, हाँ यार और क्या हाल है, मम्मी से बात कर रहे हैं, फ्रेंड से बात कर रहे हैं और ऐसे ऐसे चक्कर लगा रहे हैं किसी के वर्क स्टेशन के सामने. इट्स सो इरिटेटिंग, इट्स सो डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग. जो बंदा अपनी सीट पे बैठा है और आपको ऐसे ऐसे चलता हुआ देख रहा है, वो अपने काम पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट ही नहीं कर पाएगा. So you have to take care that you are into either calling zone or into your own compartment whenever you are making calls from your workplace. Don't eavesdrop. मुझे पता है ये एक ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी होती है सबकी कि वो क्या बात चल रही है, राइट? बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड है तो एकदम से इंटरेस्ट, सारा काम छोड़कर भाई क्या चल रहा है, अरे अरे आज तो कोई लड़ाई हुई है, हाँ बहुत इंटरेस्ट आता है लोगों को. बट प्लीज अवॉइड दिस थिंग, इट्स नॉट प्रोफेशनल एट ऑल. You are a step ahead from the college students now, so at workplace you have to be very professional, right? Don't comment. अच्छा चलो मान लिया eavesdropping हमने जान के नहीं की, पर वो बोली इतना चिल्ला चिल्ला के रहे कि हमने सुन लिया, सुनाई दे गया. So you don't need to comment on it, है ना? कि आप वो कोई अपना डिस्कशन करके आ रहा है, somehow he was audible to you and you think कि उसको ऐसे नहीं बात करनी चाहिए थी या वो नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. In keeping this thing in your mind कि वो आपका professional colleague है, he is not friendly to you, you do not ever you are not required to comment on his situation. तुम्हें ऐसे नहीं बात करनी चाहिए थी या वैसे नहीं बात करनी चाहिए थी. This is of course dependent upon that कितना close है. बहुत ही अच्छा फ्रेंड है, प्रोफेशनल कॉलीग्स बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स भी बन जाते हैं, तो सिनेरियो डिफरेंट है. Otherwise, when we are entirely professional, we do not need to comment on it. Okay? Don't talk on speaker because it's obvious everything, ये सबका entertainment होगा, mass communication, speaker पे बातचीत करना. Okay? Don't switch on music or speakers at your workplace. FM चल रहा है, अगर आपको सुनना ही है वर्क के साथ तो put your earphones. But not on speakers. Everybody might not enjoy. ये हमारे साथ होता था when I was in college previously. So in our department there were few people who used to listen bhajans at the workplace. अब वो अपने desktop पे वो भजन लगा देते थे और उनका ये perception होता था कि भजन तो सबको ही अच्छे लगते हैं, right? भजन किसको बुरा लग सकता है? अरे सी द टाइम ऑफ द डे, सी द हीट ऑफ द डे कि मतलब कितना काम करना है, कितना स्ट्रेस है, इतनी भागा दौड़ी चल के प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव है, कंपनी आने वाली और आप भजन लगा के बैठे हो, राइट? इट माइट बी एंटरटेनिंग यू, इट्स नॉट एंटरटेनिंग मी. So it's not mass communication, it's for your personal use. Please use earphones, right? So this is something which we need to take care. Then call waiting. अब जनरली क्या होता है कि हम कॉल्स पे होते हैं, कॉल वेटिंग आ रहा है, सो व्हाट शुड वी डू, हाउ शुड वी बिहेव? सो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, राइट? जिसका कॉल आप रिसीव करे हुए हो, द कॉल विच यू आर आंसरिंग, दैट्स द मोस्ट अर्जेंट कॉल. ओके, So it should be given a priority. And else you can, अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं मैं किसी से बात कर रहा हूँ but boss का phone आ गया and it's urgent to take, right? So you can either ask him gently, sir, can I just hold you for a second and answer the second call? I am on this important call. Can I speak to you later? Right? If he says no, it's urgent, call me now. So then again you'll go back to the call if it's really urgent and will inform him. ऐसा नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए कि आपने उसको होल्ड पे ही रख दिया और आप इधर अपना पूरा कॉन्वर्जेशन कर रहे हो. वेरी इरिटेटिंग. आप खुद सोच के देखो, इट हैपेंस मेनी टाइम्स. हमसे कोई बात कर रहा है, अच्छा अरे एक सेकंड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कॉल आ रहा है. व्हाट डज दिस कन्वे कि एम आई नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट? मैं ऐसे ही हूँ, मैं आपके होल्ड का वेट कर रहा हूँ और आप किसी और से बात कर रहे हो. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉट डन प्रोफेशनली, राइट? नॉट इवन सोशली. आप एक फ्रेंड से बात कर रहे हो और गप्पे मार रहे हो और दूसरे का आ गया और आप उसको बोल रहे हो यार 1 मिनट होल्ड कर, उसका आ रहा है. अब वो आपका होल्ड खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है, चले जा रहा है. तो इवन इफ यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू कीप दी कॉल्स ऑन होल्ड नॉट मोर देन अ मिनट, अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन हो रही है तो इट्स बेटर टू इन्फॉर्म हिम दैट आई विल कॉल यू बैक, आई हैव सम इम्पोर्टेंट कॉल. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज स्पीकर फोन्स. इट्स अवॉइड अनलेस इट्स अ कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल. नहीं तो नॉर्मल कॉल भी कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल बन जाएगी. Okay, and be professional into it. Placing on hold. So अब जैसे hold वाली situation आती है, so before placing that person on hold, it should not be abrupt. You should inform him, ठीक है, that can I just put your hold for a second? Can you just hold for a second? Okay, so it will at least inform him, right? And then when you resume it, you need to thank it. Thanks for holding, okay, and not more than a minute. एंड आपके जो मिस कॉल्स जितने भी आए हैं प्रोफेशनल, स्पैम कॉल्स की मैं बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, प्रोफेशनल कॉल्स विच यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट एट एनी टाइम ऑफ डे, यू शुड कॉल देम बैक. इट्स अ जनरल एटिकेट. ओके, यस
Ma'am, sometimes it happens that there are some missed calls that we do not know, unknown numbers are there, but they are from some of the companies. They want to speak to us for a position, and we are not aware of that. But then how
so
do
see, one thing is who's this, who's speaking? I cannot see.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Okay, Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
So Rahul, first thing is what I generally do, I use a Truecaller. So it gives you a fair idea that where that call is from, right? In most of the cases, if I feel like calling back, I do call them back. If I feel that this might not be of my interest or might be it's just a general sales call, I avoid it. But Truecaller helps you a lot in figuring out the things. Okay.
As far as the Indian government has banned around 96 applications, Chinese application, and I think Truecaller is one of them. I think we should ban that application so that cybersecurity threats in that, because the person who is speaking from other side, their numbers are shared and even their personal information are shared by.
But it does work. Has it stopped working?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Has Truecaller stopped working? It does work.
No, ma'am, it's working.
Yeah, it's working.
Ma'am.
So what the point in this, Rahul, it's just this, that there are some calls which you know, right? It's not necessary that you call all the unknown numbers. If it's really urgent and it's a new call to you, he will call you again. He'll call you back. Okay. But generally we try to call back those numbers which are the people I know and who are from my workplace. ये उनके context में बात हो रही है, ठीक है? Okay. So few more things to take care. Very quickly we'll go over this thing. Keep your mobiles on silent or vibrate at your workplace. बहुत अलग अलग तरीके की ringtones होती हैं सबकी. It's better to keep it to yourself. Okay. Business meetings or lunch में avoid mobiles, because when you sit with your mobile, it's your tendency to check it. वो एक अपना एक habit हो गया है, ठीक है? तो when you are into business meetings and lunch ही लंच ब्रेक वाली बात नहीं हो रही है, बिजनेस लंच की बात हो रही है, टीम लंच. ओके, ये थर्ड पॉइंट बहुत कॉमन है और हम भी बहुत करते थे, टू बी वेरी ट्रू. मीटिंग चल रही है और सब अपने फोन्स टेबल के नीचे लेके बैठे हुए हैं. दे आर चेकिंग द मैसेजेस. नॉट ओनली चेकिंग द मैसेजेस, दे आर कम्युनिकेटिंग टू द पर्सन हु सिटिंग देयर कि यार ये बहुत बोरिंग मीटिंग है यार, कब खत्म होगी. या हाँ, और हम सोचते हैं कि हमें कोई ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर रहा है, हम यही सोचते हैं. We used to do this when we were students. When I became the part of management, and I used to take this thing, it's very obvious to identify these people who are communicating and sharing glances and smiling. As a speaker, you will come to know this thing. You know, अपन को लगता है हमें कोई नहीं देख रहा है, but the non-verbal signals which you are spreading, it's very easy identify, and you can actually make out कि कौन किसको मैसेज कर रहा है, and अब वो उसको मैसेज कर रहा है, अब वो हंस रहा है, अब वो ये कर रहा है. You can make out everything. अक्षिता, you are smiling, हाँ? आपने फेस करी होगी ऐसी सिचुएशन कोई. All right. So take personal calls in private places. Personal calls हमको नहीं जरूरत. कई बार क्या होता है कि we are in so much hurry or so stressed out कि we don't consider these small things. कि मेरा है ना, suppose गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड का अपन एक सिनेरियो लेते हैं. गर्लफ्रेंड का कॉल आया, I'm so excited, वहीं पे बात करना शुरू. नहीं, go to some private place because आपसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट उस कॉल में आपके कलीग्स को आ जाएगा, right? So you need to avoid this thing. Okay. Never use mobiles in restrooms. Now you have to explain me this thing. Restrooms में mobiles मत use करो. Very funny yet very important thing. Neha, want to add something onto this thing? Neha?
And restroom means where people used to take rest when they are not feeling well. So
Washrooms you can call. In professional places, washrooms are termed as restrooms. So you should not use mobiles in restrooms. Why so? जिसकी बुराई कर रहे हो पीछे रेस्टरूम में ही बैठा है. You never know, right? So it's not a safe place. It's not a safe place to, you know, vent out your anger. कई बार हम इतने गुस्सा होते हैं, इतने frustrated होते हैं कि हमें रेस्टरूम ही जाते हैं और वहीं पे सारा गुस्सा अपने पापा को फोन करेंगे, मम्मी को फोन करेंगे, फ्रेंड को, भाई को, बहन को फोन करेंगे, सारा गुस्सा उधर निकाल देंगे. फिर पीछे से गेट खुलने की आवाज आएगी और जिस पे गुस्सा निकाल रहे थे वो पीछे ही था, right? So avoid it. Never call client with your colleague's phone. आपका क्लाइंट है और आप कलीग के फोन से उसको कॉल कर रहे हो. नो, you have to have a strong connect with your client, and it's only with your phone that you should call him. Okay? Don't eat or chew while on call. Just imagine somebody is calling you professionally and chewing a chewing gum, and you're getting those things that he is eating something. How irritating it would sound, isn't it? Okay? And avoid background noises and never discuss personal feelings. Feelings it is. So it's for the professional calls. ये हम जो भी चीजें डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, हम एक वर्क प्लेस एटिकेट की बात कर रहे हैं. So on a professional call with a professional colleague, avoid sharing your personal feelings, because if you cannot trust him, and if it's completely professional relationship, because this might give a gossip point to him to go further, right? So it's better to avoid and to share your personal feelings only to people whom you trust. All right. So these are few phrases which we can use. We'll just go through them very quickly. So while we are making a call, can I speak to someone this? Can you put me through this? The reason I'm calling is I'm calling to, it's with regard to, it's in relation to. So it's about giving a context. कॉल करके मुझे कॉन्टेक्स्ट देना है कि मैंने किस बारे में बात करनी है आपसे और मुझे किससे बात करनी है. क्विक वे ऑफ आस्किंग दिस थिंग. ओके? So connecting the caller is generally the middle line worker who's connecting a call to some other department. So let me just see if she's available. One moment. So it's not of much concern to you. Asking the caller to wait. This might be important for you because there might be some things. For example, किसी ने आपसे कुछ पूछा and you do not have that handout or information. You need to ask to him to be on hold. So one moment. Would you like to hold? Can I put you on hold? Please hold. Are you okay to wait for a couple of minutes? I need to put you on hold. So it's about informing him कि भाई एक moment दे दो मुझे. I need to get the relevant things. या फिर एकदम से आपके केबिन में कोई आ गया and you have to inform him कि अभी I'm on call. All right? Okay. So this is one graphics which I found. This customer forms a mental picture of you, and see how nicely it has enlisted these things. pitch, inflection, courtesy, tone, understanding, grade, enunciation. So let's not go into the details. It's just about the impression, first impression. Okay. Avoid forbidden phrases. जैसे I don't know. अरे भाई तो कॉल क्यों किया? Okay. I can't do that. You'll have to. Just a second. No. So ये forbidden phrase. इसकी जगह आप एकदम सीधा मना करने की just let us check if it's possible. It's a kind way of saying that I'm not sure if it can be done. Okay. So एक positivity अगर आपके mind में होगी तो आप positive phrases ही use करने की tendency रखेंगे. Okay. So this was about the telephone etiquettes, and now we'll come to the second part, email etiquettes. Same thing, email से भी आप बहुत चीजें convey कर सकते हैं. Again, your impression, your vocabulary, your language skills, right? So it shows professionalism, it shows efficiency and respect. Okay. So very short points, but very important. Show that you are ready for your future career. ये आपका professionalism है basically. Efficiency, look efficient, sending to the point message. Okay. Respect, avoid unnecessary embellishments and small talk. Small talk matlab ki I know you would not answer to me. What is this? What's the need of writing this? ठीक है, अगर मुझे लगता भी है तो. So you have to have positive attitude. All right.
Ma'am, what does embellishment mean, ma'am?
Yes.
What does embellishment mean, ma'am?
Embellishments, embellish करना यानी decorate करना, right? तो बहुत fancy words use करना, बहुत high on vocabulary words use करना, being a Shashi Tharoor on email. Okay. All right. So this is email का आपको एक format में बहुत quickly बता देती हूँ. So subject line very important. आप खुद पे ये apply करके देखो. जब आपके पास email आता है, सबसे पहले आप subject ही पढ़ते हो, then you decide to open it or not. Right? So you have to draft your emails in such a subject line which is catchy as well as it's conveying what the mail is about. Okay. Then salutation, hello, dear, whatever. Then comes the body of the email. So body of the email, first paragraph would be your quick introduction, then followed by why you are writing that email, followed by what you are expecting to be done. Simple. सबसे पहले खुद का introduction. Second thing, ये email लिखा क्यों गया है. Third thing, आपसे क्या expected है ना, आपको क्यों लिखा है मैंने ये email. So you have to be very clear, very concise. Short email, the shorter the better. Okay. But short होने का ये मतलब नहीं है कि information less है. It should be complete, but it should be precise. Okay. And then comes the closing and signature. All right. So identify your goal. भाई ईमेल लिख रहे हो तो किस लिए लिख रहे हो, अगर आपको क्लियर होगा तो आप उसको क्लियरली मेंशन करोगे अपने ईमेल में. Okay. Then these are few email etiquettes. So your subject line has to match the message. Subject line लिखा है regarding a farewell party. ठीक है, regarding या ऐसा कर लो regarding leave for this thing. अब आपने पूरी ईमेल में अपनी फैमिली की हिस्ट्री बता दी और ये बता दिया और वो बता दिया, मुझे लीव चाहिए, मुझे यहाँ जाना है, मेरा ये गांव है, सब बता दिया, बट यू हैव मिस्ड द डेट्स. ओके, व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ दैट ईमेल, राइट? फिर दूसरा केस ऐसा कि सब्जेक्ट लाइन कुछ और बता रहा है और आपने उससे रिलेटेड अपने ईमेल में कुछ लिखा ही नहीं है. सो इट शुड नॉट हैपन. ऑलवेज इंक्लूड अ सिग्नेचर. सिग्नेचर मतलब कि आपका मतलब रिगार्ड्स, देन योर नेम, योर कंपनी, योर फोन नंबर, व्हाटएवर. ओके. टाइमली रिस्पॉन्स इज नेसेसरी इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ योर प्रोफेशनल ईमेल्स एंड योर वर्क प्लेस. ये जनरल ईमेल्स की बात नहीं हो रही है. प्लीज आप इस प्रेजेंटेशन में अपना पूरा माइंडसेट रखेंगे वर्क प्लेस का, कि हम जो भी बातचीत कर रहे हो वर्क प्लेस एटिकेट्स की बात हो रही है. ओके. ऑलराइट. सो रिस्पॉन्ड टाइमली. सपोज आपसे कोई बात कही गई है या आपको कुछ इनफैक्ट एक्नॉलेज भी करना चाहिए हमको ईमेल्स पे. आपको किसी ने कुछ इन्फॉर्म किया तो आप सिर्फ नोटेड विद थैंक्स भी अगर भेज देंगे उसको, सिर्फ सेंडर को, तो इट वुड बी वेरी प्रोफेशनल. ओके. मार्क समवन इन सीसी. ऑलवेज तो मैं नहीं कहूंगी, बट इफ रिक्वायर्ड, अगर किसी को लूप में लेना है यू शुड टेक हिम इन लूप. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज. कीप इट शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल. ये अपन ने डिस्कस किया. दैट शुड बी वेरी क्लियर. ऑलराइट. So what are the do's into email? So we have to use a standard formatting. Professional emails की बात हो रही है. Avoid very fancy color, ये bold, ये yellow, ये red, not required. Professional email है, professional purpose है. You can, although you can highlight few things, you can use highlighters on email, but colorful बनाने का it doesn't make any sense. Okay, include a clear subject line. Email from a professional email address. handsomehunk@gmail.com is mailing you regarding this thing. Huh? Cool Akshita is mailing you this thing. Make your professional emails. Although होंगे आप सबके, but yet it's a point to mention. Use an introduction. जैसे अपन को जो emails start करने हैं, we need to start with our introduction. So my name is this and this, give me your name. या with reference to this, I need to communicate this. एक background and your introduction. ये रिप्लाई ऑल ना, ये अभी अपन आगे डिस्कस करते हैं. एंड डबल चेक अटैचमेंट्स, ये बहुत जरूरी है. प्लीज, क्या अपन क्या लगता है ईमेल में एज अटैच हेयर विथ, है ना, अटैच दिस डॉक्यूमेंट इज अटैच हेयर विथ, यू कैन चेक द डिटेल्स इन द अटैचमेंट, एंड वेयर इज द अटैचमेंट? नोवेयर. वी जनरली टेंड टू स्किप इट. सो what's the best thing while you draft the email? What the thing you should do is, पहले उसको पूरा ड्राफ्ट करो. इनफैक्ट उसको एक वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में ड्राफ्ट करो, सो दैट वो फॉर्मेटिंग वगैरह, वर्ड स्पेलिंग्स वगैरह सब आपका ठीक हो जाए. देन यू कॉपी पेस्ट दैट इनटू योर ईमेल, देन यू अटैच इफ रिक्वायर्ड, एंड लास्ट में आप ईमेल एड्रेस डालो, सो दैट अगर सेंड की टेंडेंसी भी आपकी होगी ना, तो वो एक लेवल पे फिल्टर आउट हो जाएगी. ओके, सो ईमेल, again, this is just a summary of all the things which you have discussed. It should have clear subject line, it should be crisp, to the point, it should be professional, respectful and polite, proofread. भले ही आप किसी की job application को reject कर रहे हो, so Akshita have been there into HR vertical, so when you reject this thing, if you're rejecting something, उसको भी आप gently बोल सकते हो, maybe next time, or better luck next time, maybe you can try next time, this time it was not possible. There are ways to disagree and to reject and to communicate your negative things very politely and respectfully. Okay, it should be proofread. Proofread is very, very important. The grammar, the words, the spellings, relevant. Of course, it should be relevant. Sign off. Sign off abhi apan aage discuss karte hain. Sign off is basically how you end your emails, the signatures which you use. Timely reply is also important at your workplace. Are we going too fast?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay, so you have to keep your tone professional. Now see, this is nice point, that again जो आपसे मैं बोली ना, you need to have a positive mindset, so that आप negative चीजों को भी अच्छे words use करके और अच्छी vibes use करके आप communicate कर सको. So you can use positive words such as opportunities and challenges instead of obstacle and limitations, right? बात तो एक ही है ना, but एक negative vibe है, एक positive vibe है, right? Avoid negativity, sarcasm and adjectives that can cause you to sound overly emotional. इतना इमोशनल होने की नहीं जरूरत है उसमें, राइट? ईमेल्स में, प्रोफेशनल ईमेल्स में. email signatures are very important, so it should have your name, your job title, your company website and a phone number, या company address and a phone number, right? It should be very professional. And contact details should be there, because if I am interested in your services, if I'm interested to revert back, where should I? सिर्फ email पे तो नहीं, I cannot wait for your response, I need to call you immediately. So it's every time that you should include, so you can, its signatures are inbuilt, so you can feed on your contact numbers as well. Then set informative out of office replies. So this is a very professional practice. If you're on leave, you can automate the things and the replies can be sent that I'm on this leave and should be resuming my office at this time. Okay, these are the don'ts.
You said something about humor. Should humor be something entirely avoided?
Sorry, Sunil, you're saying something?
You mentioned something about humor as well in that presentation. Should humor be entirely avoided as it could be misinterpreted?
Yes, in professional emails, see Sunil, there are always, deviations to these things. Okay, ये चीजें 100% अप्लाई नहीं होती है, बिकॉज इट्स अ ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन. यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. So I might be very professional and very distant from one person, and I might be very friendly and professional as well with one person. So of course मैं, ये तो मेरा खुद का टेक है कि मैं कहाँ पे ह्यूमर यूज कर सकती हूँ, कहाँ पे मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay, but generally it's good to avoid, because in written email communication you never know कि आपकी टोन अगला किस तरीके से समझ रहा है या इंटरप्रेट कर रहा है. फेस टू फेस में तो बहुत सारी नॉन वर्बल चीजें हैं जिससे आप यू कैन मेक द थिंग्स लाइटर, बट आप लिख रहे हो, यू आर ड्राफ्टिंग अ ईमेल, एन ईमेल, सो यू नेवर नो हाउ द अदर पर्सन इज जजिंग दोज थिंग्स. इसलिए ईमेल्स में दिस इज ऑलवेज advised that do not use humors. Okay, so don't use informal salutation, hey folks, yo man, hey bro. No, it's not a friendly mail, it's a professional mail. ह्यूमर, जार्गन, स्लैंग, और जार्गन्स अपन ने डिस्कस किए थे, राइट, कि जार्गन्स क्या होते हैं, स्पेसिफिक टेक्निकल वर्ड जो कि एक कम्युनिटी में ज्यादातर यूज होते हैं. ASAP. अब ASAP जरूरी नहीं है, हम समझते हैं कि हाँ एज सून एज पॉसिबल, बट जरूरी नहीं है कि सबके लिए ASAP वही हो. वो सर्च करेगा व्हाट इज ASAP, बहुत सारे एब्रिविएशंस लिख लेंगे, आप कौन सा कह रहे हो. ओके, सो जार्गन, स्लैंग लैंग्वेज, नो, एंटायरली प्रोफेशनल. डोंट फॉरवर्ड एवरी ईमेल. कई लोगों की आदत होती है बैठे बैठे जो ईमेल आया फॉरवर्ड, जो इधर से आया उधर फॉरवर्ड, उधर से आया इधर फॉरवर्ड. प्लीज स्टॉप. ओके, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. डोंट यूज मेनी CC और BCCs इन ईमेल. सबको बताएंगे हम तो. मैंने अक्षिता को मेल किया है कि अक्षिता यू हैव डन यू हैव डन अ ग्रेट जॉब, या फिर यू वर एब्सेंट, यू डिडंट कंप्लीट दिस थिंग. पूरी टीम को मैंने CC ले लिया. What's the purpose? What's the idea? I don't need to do this thing. मुझे किसी को feedback देना, it can be one-to-one feedback, right? I don't need to embarrass her while looping in everybody. So you need to be very careful कि किसको loop in करना है, किसको नहीं करना है. BCC, blank copies. You know this ना, BCC. You have an idea of BCC and CC, right?
Yes.
तो BCC हम जनरली एक साइलेंट वॉचर है, उसको हम लोग BCC में रखते हैं कि आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि आप BCC में हो. यू कैन नॉट intervene into our communication, but you sit and watch what's going on in between us. What's the point in doing this? Unless and until it is required. For example, मैं किसी को inform करना चाहती हूँ, मैं अपने boss को loop में रखना चाहती हूँ. I don't want the person to know that boss is in my loop. है ना, वो ठीक है, बट हर किसी को BCC में रखना इट्स नॉट एडवाइजेबल unless and until it has been directed to you. Don't be angry, rude or negative. Don't use emojis, smileys, semicolon and bracket. Okay, so not required. Don't use lot of exclamation points and caps. All caps. क्यों? caps से क्या होता है, कैपिटल लिख दिया मैंने, I want you to come. एक तो नॉर्मल लिखा हुआ है I want you to come in my office, और एक कैप्स में लिखा हुआ है, ईमेल आया मेरे पास I want you to come in my office. क्या डिफरेंस है?
It's
Feel
feel like
way of
it's
showing
your-
anger.
I am angry.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. It's feel like that we are ordering something to someone.
yes, absolutely. है ना, तो हम मेल पे चिल्लाना, बेसिकली यू आर शाउटिंग ऑन ईमेल, सो यू
Yes.
यूज कैप्स. ओके, सो बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस थिंग. डोंट ऐड सेंड फ्रॉम माय फोन. क्या होता है कि अपन जनरली ईमेल से अपने फोन से रिप्लाई करते हैं ना, तो उसमें एक बाय डिफॉल्ट लिखा हुआ आता है नीचे, सेंड फ्रॉम माय फोन. प्लीज इरेज दिस. इतना सा एफर्ट हमें करना चाहिए कि हम उसको फॉरवर्ड भी कर रहे हैं तो सेंड फ्रॉम माय फोन हम हटा दें और अपने रिगार्ड्स करके नाम लिख दें कम से कम. इट साउंड्स प्रोफेशनल. ऐसा लगता है कि ये आया और इधर दे दिया, इतना भी आपने मेहनत नहीं करी कि एटलीस्ट, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर सेंडिंग और फॉरवर्डिंग द मेल टू अ पर्सन हु इज हायर इन पोजीशन टू यू. ओके, ईमेल चेन्स, ये बहुत ही पॉइंटलेस होता है, बहुत टाइम वेस्ट होता है और टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होता है. व्हाट आर ईमेल चेन्स? सपोज नेहा ने
Wording
मुझे
the
बोला,
same mail again and again.
नो, ईमेल चेन इज कि नेहा ने मुझे एक मेल किया, ठीक है, तुमने ये काम नहीं किया. मैंने नेहा को मेल किया, तो तुमने ही तो ऐसे बोला था कि ये जरूरी नहीं है. फिर नेहा ने मुझे बोला मैंने ऐसे कहा था इसका ये मतलब थोड़ी ना है. So conversation, elastic conversation is going on and on and on and never ending. That's an email chain. Okay, so unnecessary कोई मतलब नहीं है इस चीज का. Yes, Ellie?
Actually, I previously I used to work, and I think email chain is very important for professional way.
Okay, so might be you are talking in a different context. Okay, so my
Actually,
context
she is
is
talking, ma'am, she is talking about the trailing mail which was going from long discussion regarding the particular issue which hasn't completed yet. I think so.
that's important because that forms a reference of a discussion. That's okay, that's valid, but for pointless discussions it's not advisable. Okay, so context needs to be there. अब एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट है कि हम उसको लूप इन कर रहे हैं, ट्रेल्स रख रहे हैं, सो दैट कोई भी उसमें नया ज्वाइन करता है, या फॉर माय इंफॉर्मेशन आल्सो आई हैव एंटायर आइडिया. फॉर एग्जांपल जब मेरे पास ये जूम लिंक आता है, सो ऑल दी मेल्स आर इन ट्रेल सो दैट आई कैन गो कि मेरा लास्ट लेक्चर किस पे था, अब कब है, क्या कम्युनिकेट हुआ था, सो एक चेन में मुझे वो दिख जाएगा. दैट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन. But the example which I gave you, ongoing email discussions without any point, that should be avoided. Okay. All right. So how to start an email? Greeting, well wishes is optional. Reason for writing, I told you that format. Reason, आपका introduction, reason, उसका क्या objective है, you need to clear. What do you want me to do? ये professional email की बात हो रही है, right? Does it include some action required? Does it calls for a reply back or some information? Am I seeking some information? How is the mail going to help the reader? Okay, तो ये या तो भाई आपने informative mail भेजी तो मैं आपको सिर्फ inform, तो this is to inform you that this has been done. तो reader को clear है कि ये मेरे लिए information थी. Okay, फिर आप कहीं किसी mail में लिखते हो कि this has been done, kindly let me know if anything else is required. तो अब रीडर को क्या करना चाहिए कि नो दिस हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड, या फिर यस दीज टास्क नीड टू बी कंप्लीटेड येट. ओके, सो इट हैज टू बी वेरी क्लियर दैट व्हाट आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग आउट ऑफ दैट ईमेल, कि रीडर को करना क्या है, क्या मैं पढ़ के छोड़ दूं उसको, क्या मैं आपको आप मुझसे रिप्लाई एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो, कोई एक्शन एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो. मोर क्लियर यू आर एंड मोर पॉजिटिव कम्युनिकेशन इट बिकम्स. ओके, सो ग्रीटिंग्स देने के क्या तरीके होते हैं, फॉर्मल थिंग्स, dear team या dear name. So dear is considered as professional. Dear this and this, if 2 or 3 people are involved, you can address them with their names. Hi or hello is also professional. Hi there is also professional if you don't know the person who's receiving the mail. And greetings is also greetings of the day. This can also be used. Okay, goal of the email, this we have already discussed.
Ma'am, can we start greeting with Mr. or Mrs.?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Of course. Okay, so these are the email sign-offs, some ticks and some crosses. So अगर बहुत ही formal setup है, if it's a formal business, so regard, sincerely, best wishes. Then your name and your company name and your contact details. Okay. If it's sort of friendly business, a small setup, maybe बहुत ही इंड्यूसिव एनवायरनमेंट है, जैसे एक स्टार्टअप का एनवायरनमेंट होता है, तो चीयर्स, बेस्ट, एज एवर. सो दीज आर फ्यू थिंग्स व्हिच कैन बी यूज्ड व्हाइल साइन ऑफ. देन ईमेल क्लोजिंग्स फॉर ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड रिक्वेस्ट. सो ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड रिक्वेस्ट आल्सो, किसी से कोई काम करवाना चाह रहे हैं या आपको कोई इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, सो थैंक्स इन एडवांस. So thanks in advance can be taken as a negative thing also, can be taken as a positive thing also. Okay, thanks, I appreciate your help, input, feedback, whatever. So these are few phrases which should be used at sign offs. क्या नहीं यूज करना चाहिए, लव. ऐसे लिखते हैं ना अपन अपने सोशल सेटअप पे, तो लिखते ही है लव अभिजीत, राइट? सो whom are you writing to, please see that. Okay, थैंक्स THX, थैंक्स की जगह THS एंड रिगार्ड्स की जगह इतना टाइम होता है हमारे पास कि हम पूरा टाइप कर लें. ओके, सो इट्स नॉट अ व्हाट्सएप मैसेज, इट्स अ प्रोफेशनल ईमेल. लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हियरिंग फ्रॉम यू, ये अगेन एक इनडायरेक्ट प्रेशर है, जैसे कि थैंक्स इन एडवांस एक इनडायरेक्ट प्रेशर क्रिएट करता है. है ना, मतलब मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर ही रही हूँ, ऑल्दो वी यूज इट, वी डू यूज इट, बट येस इफ इट कैन बी अवॉइडेड शुड बी अवॉइडेड, क्योंकि सामने वाले को ये इंप्रेशन जाता है कि मुझे तो उसको रिप्लाई करना ही है, एंड इनडायरेक्टली ही इज प्रेशराइजिंग मी टू गिव द रिप्लाई. सिमिलरली जो थैंक्स इन एडवांस है वो भी एक इनडायरेक्ट प्रेशर है कि मान लिया भैया अब मैं ही काम करने वाली हूँ इसका, और मुझसे उसने तो पहले ही थैंक दे दिया, एंड शी इज एक्सपेक्टिंग मी टू वर्क और रिप्लाई और डू व्हाटएवर. योर्स ट्रूली शुड बी अवॉइडेड. ठीक है, ये हमने स्कूल में सीखा था, प्रिंसिपल के लेटर्स और उन सब में हम योर्स ट्रूली, योर्स सिंसियरली लिखते थे. बट व्हाई शुड इट बी अवॉइडेड? बिकॉज it's out of context in a professional place. ठीक है, doesn't make any sense. Respectfully yours doesn't sounds very professional. कुछ भी नहीं निकला तो एकदम ही entirely unprofessional. सिर्फ नाम लिखना, सिर्फ नाम लिख के आप अगर ईमेल एंड कर दो, कोई थैंक्स रिगार्ड्स कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ नीचे लिख दिया आपने रोहित, तो उसका क्या जाएगा इंप्रेशन? रोहित, आपने पूरा ईमेल ड्राफ्ट किया, कोई थैंक्स रिगार्ड्स नथिंग, सिर्फ नीचे लिख दिया रोहित, so what would be the impression which it creates?
It will give a negative impression.
Negative how? That you least bother, you're not polite, you're not humble, है ना?
Yes,
बस
yes,
एक काम
yes,
करना था, एक काम खत्म कर दिया आपने ईमेल करके. Okay, it won't connect the reader to you. It sounds very professional, जैसे कि आपका कोई बॉस आपको ईमेल कर रहा है, right? Then have a blessed day. हम कोई चर्च में और मंदिर में तो है नहीं, so it's okay to avoid these things into workplace. Okay, all right, these are very common blunders commonly made. Hitting reply all when you should hit reply. ठीक है, और ये आप इसमें देखोगे साइड में फिगर में, कई बार जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में क्या होता है, सपोज किसी का कोई अचीवमेंट, सपोज श्वेता हैज वन समथिंग और शी इज द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉई. ठीक है, तो मैनेजमेंट से मेल आया, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन श्वेता फॉर अचीविंग द टारगेट एंड शी हैज बीन गिवन द प्राइज ऑफ द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय. अब कॉन्ग्रेट शुरू हुआ, सब रिप्लाई ऑल कर रहे हैं, कॉन्ग्रेट्स कॉन्ग्रेट्स कॉन्ग्रेट्स. ठीक है, नेहा ने एक कॉन्ग्रेट्स डाला, वो 10 जनों के पास गया, फिर अभिजीत ने डाला, वो 10 जनों के पास गया. Does it make any sense? No. So if I'm really very happy, कि श्वेता ने वो अवार्ड जीता है, तो मैं श्वेता को मेल करूंगी congratulations, rather than सबको बताने के लिए कि देखो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि श्वेता जीती है. Okay, doesn't make any sense. So congrats हो गया, thank you, I agree, please remove him from this mailing list. Reply all कर दिया. Okay, सपोज कोई आपका डिस्कशन चल रहा है ट्रेनिंग मेल पे, एक जना बहुत अनॉय कर रहा है, बट वो ईमेल चेन इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे कि सहेली ने बताया, कई बार कॉन्टेक्स्ट रखने के लिए हमको रखनी पड़ती है ईमेल चेन, बट देयर इज वन दिस पर्सन, अनोइंग पर्सन, जो कि उसमें नेगेटिविटी इंड्यूस कर रहा है. मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ उसको, जो ऑर्गेनाइजर है उसको, कि इसको हटा दो, और मैंने रिप्लाई की जगह कर दिया रिप्लाई ऑल. ओके, ब्लंडर इट इज. LOL, लॉल, कोई भी कोई चीज आई आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, LOL, रिप्लाई ऑल हो रहा है. ओके, so you should be very careful. Unless and until required, it should only address to one person. अगर वो बोल रहे हैं कि प्लीज रिप्लाई ऑल, या आपको लगता है कि ये टीम मेल चल रहा है एंड यू नीड टू, योर ओपिनियन शुड बी हर्ड बाय ऑल, ओनली देन यू यूज दिस रिप्लाई ऑल. ओके, assuming email is private and confidential. आप कितना भी कैप्स में बड़ा बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंशियल लिख दो उस ईमेल के सब्जेक्ट लाइन में, यू कैन नॉट अज्यूम कि वो कॉन्फिडेंशियल ही रहेगा. इट कैन बी सर्कुलेटेड. So it's rather better to avoid your confidential messages sending through written text or emails. Written communication is not a secure communication in terms of spreading. वैसे सिक्योर है कि आपको रिकॉर्ड मिलता है जो भी आपने बात कमिट की है उसका, बट यू कैनॉट अज्यूम कि मेरा ईमेल प्राइवेट ही है, वो आपके बॉस तक भी जा सकता है. आपने अपने मेल पे अपने फ्रेंड से बॉस की बिचिंग कर दी, ओके, such a खड़ूस boss he is and this and that, always this and always that, और वो जो आपके जो फ्रेंड है उसको चाहिए goody points. What will he do? उस प्रमोशन का टाइम आ गया, he needs to kick you out of the scene, so he'll use that mail as a proof that see ये तो आपके बारे में ऐसे बोलते हैं, right? Anything can happen at workplace. It's a professional word. Emailing when angry. कई बार गुस्से में हम इतना कुछ लिख देते हैं, खटाखट खटाखट, सारा गुस्सा अपने कीबोर्ड पे निकलता है, खट 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 खटाखट, एकदम जो मन में आए, जस्ट वेंट इट आउट. और अगर उस मेल को हमने सेंड कर दिया वापस पढ़ने से पहले, you know, things can change forever. You might not see the second day in your company, right? The other day in your company. You need to be very careful. ऐसी situations में it's always good and advised कि आप एक rather than email में एक word document में उसको लिख लो. जितना गुस्सा आ रहा है सब word document में निकाल दो. जब गुस्सा शांत हो जाए वापस उसको पढ़ो. You will actually realize कि यार इतना करने की अभी जरूरत नहीं है. Let's control it. Okay? So that's a sensible way of acting. Not getting to the point. चले जा रहा है पूरा ईमेल, चले जा रहा है, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, ये हो गया, रीडर को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मुझे ईमेल लिखा क्यों है. So it should be very clear. Using CC for mass emails. कई बार क्या होता है कि कंपनीज को एक ही मेल बहुत सारे लोगों को भेजना है, तो उसमें BCC यूज किया जाता है. बट जो BCC यूज करना, ब्लैंक कॉपीज यूज करना भूल जाते हैं और CC करते हैं, तो ईमेल जब पहुंचता है रीडर के पास तो हाफ पेज पे तो मुझे सारी CC IDs दिखती है. Okay, then email starts. So this should be avoided. Okay, email etiquettes. See, these are very funny things. You know, we can go through them. So these are few phrases which convey a different message. हमने मतलब अभी देखो जैसे to put it more simply. मतलब मैंने ऐसे पूरा अपना ईमेल लिखा और फिर मैं उसमें लिख रही हूँ to put it more simply I mean to say this. So इससे क्या मैसेज जा रहा है कि I think कि आपको मैंने जो लिखा है वो एक बार में समझ में नहीं आएगा. I need to put it in other words as well. Okay. Not sure if my last email was received. So what is it conveying? Just how long do you think you can ignore me? मतलब नीचे वाले जो sentences है वो मेरी actual feelings है और उसको मैं लिख इस तरीके से रही हूँ. Okay, so these should be avoided. According to my records, this and this. Okay, so what does it mean? Don't try to fool me. I'm keeping the entire record of what's happening around. So according to my records, it was not so. ठीक है, तो मुझे पता है क्या चल रहा है, right? Friendly reminder. So Akshita, we were discussing this thing that day, right? Friendly reminder. It's nowhere near friendly. This had to be done yesterday. लिखा तो जाता है friendly reminder, but जहाँ आप reminder use करते हो वहां पे it creates that sense कि it's high time you should do it. ये तो पहले हो जाना चाहिए था. Okay? All the best. अगर कोई मेल में लिख रहा है, इसका क्या इंटरप्रिटेशन है? मैं जितना इनपुट दे सकती थी दे दिया, अब मुझसे इस बारे में बात मत करो. All the best for your future. ठीक है? So this interprets this thing. Thanks in advance. ये मैंने आपको बताया. हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि भाई ये तो करना ही है और मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया ये तुम करके मुझे दोगे. पहली थैंक्स कर दिया, अब आप मुकर कैसे सकते हो? ओके, देन दिस इज एज पर पॉलिसी. सो एज पर पॉलिसी मतलब अब इसके आगे इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. आई कैन नॉट हेल्प यू आउट. जो है सो यही है. यू हैव टू एडजस्ट. करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग. सो इट मीन्स डोंट डेयर टू करेक्ट मी. आई नो आई एम करेक्ट. ओके, सो दीज आर इनडायरेक्ट मैसेजेस व्हिच दीज फ्रेजेस गिव्स. So we have already discussed this. Email address होना चाहिए सबसे पहले, फिर subject one liner होना चाहिए, salutation में dear sir, madam, Mr, Miss, whatever. Okay, then आप first paragraph में what do you generally use is the introduction of yourself and your company. Second paragraph में आपने वो mail क्यों लिखा है, उससे आप क्या achieve करना चाहते हैं, क्या action required है. एंड थर्ड पैराग्राफ में हो सकता है आप उसको इंक्लूड करो या नहीं करो. इट माइट बी टू थैंक टू द रीडर, टू गिव हिज टाइम और टू कंसिडर दिस ईमेल. ओके, नॉर्मल है ये, बहुत छोटा, इसका बहुत क्रिस्प फॉर्मेट है विच यू कैन टेक केयर. सैल्यूटेशन वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस. साइन ऑफ्स. तो सिंसियरली, बेस्ट विशेस, रिगार्ड्स. रिगार्ड, सिंसियरली, बेस्ट विशेस हर केस में आपका काम करेगा. ठीक है, कितना भी वो फॉर्मल हो. So what should it include? Your name, signature that your organization may have assigned you, the designation and your contact number if you can share. Okay. So these are just some email formats. I think that's okay. whenever you are replying to, maybe you can take a reference of the mail to which you are replying to. In reference to the mail that you have sent, I need to put this forward, or I need to inform you that this has been done, or whatever. Okay. So this is it. Etiquette is more than a handshake. It's a code for the way things are done. Do you agree with this thing?
Yes, definitely.
Do you understand this quotation? Shivam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So etiquette is not just कि आप कहीं गए किसी से मिले और हाथ मिला के और काम कर लिया. It's how the things are done at a workplace. So it encompasses everything, the way you are writing, the way you're communicating, where you're sitting, where you're meeting, everything. Okay. And guys, these things create a lot of impression of your social well-being as well. आप
It is
कैसी
related to
फैमिली
convey the
बैकग्राउंड
things.
से हो, है ना, आपके क्या मॉरल्स हैं, क्या एटिकेट्स हैं, क्या मैनर्स हैं, all this reflects a lot into your day-to-day life and the actions which you take. So be kind, considerate. What is being considerate, Sunil?
Being, it's being more polite, thinking about the person more, and thinking from their perspective.
Yes, think from their perspective. Considerate means think from their perspective. Okay, consider, suppose आपका कोई colleague है and he is not very strong in good communication skills or so. So जब आप उससे communicate करेंगे, you need to consider कि उसकी क्या limitations हैं, and you need to adapt to the situation. ठीक है, अब आप suppose हिंदी नहीं समझ पा रहे हो, for example, और मैं पूरा हिंदी में ही communicate कर रही हूँ. It's not being considerate. I need to take care of all the people present in the room. I need to take care that whether you are able to understand it or not. Okay. Respectful, give respect and take respect. It's a rule. Be honest and authentic, and think beyond yourself. It's being empathic. सिर्फ अपने बारे में नहीं सोच के सबके बारे में थोड़ा सा अपना एटीट्यूड अपन ओपन और पॉजिटिव करेंगे. This will definitely help you out in creating a good image of yourself. Okay. So manners cost nothing, but it means everything, and be the best version of yourself. That's from my side for today. Email etiquettes and telephone etiquettes. Any questions now? Okay, one more thing which I would like to mention is that whenever you receive any email, even a message, you should acknowledge it. Received, noted with thanks. Okay. So it should be done. It's a very professional practice. क्योंकि इससे सामने वाले को ये लगता है कि मैं उस तक अपना मैसेज पहुंचाना चाहता था, and it has completed. Okay, so this is just one thing more to add. So any questions from your side?
Yes,
Yes,
Garima,
yes.
I'm still not being able to access the video on that app, My Coach.
Hi, Garima.
Hi.
Hi, Palak here. Thank you.
Pallavi.
Palak.
Okay,
Palak.
Palak,
Okay,
could
yes,
you
Palak.
just give us?
Yeah. I'm just gonna share my screen for this, and I'm gonna show you how this works, right?
Okay.
So, Garima, I need 2 minutes of time.
Not
for
a
this.
problem, Palak.
Yeah.
I'm done with my presentation.
Yeah, thank you so much for the presentation. Such a lovely presentation. I also learned a lot from this. Thank you. Yeah.
So I'm also here. I'm also seeing you're telling them. It's okay.
Could you please, I have to share the screen. So you have to, 2 screens can't be shared at a time.
Yeah. So I'm just. Yeah, we stopped it. Yeah, you can share.
Yeah. So my screen is visible to everyone, I believe.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So what you have to do is, you have to log in this My Coach and put your credentials here, your ID and password.
Yes.
Log in this.
Yeah.
Right. And the problem you all were facing was you have to click on this campus to corporate readiness.
Yes.
Yeah. Then the sessions you have to attend from this right side. I already told you on the calls also.
Yes.
But then I think some students were still facing some issues. And moreover, After clicking on this campus to corporate, you'll get such options: the journey, interpersonal skills, team building, time management, communication skills, presentation skills, interviews. And this is live session content.
Yeah.
You'll click on this live session content, and these are the recorded sessions.
But
right?
when we click on that, we don't get the recorded session.
Just give me a minute. This is a
Yes,
presentation, right? And this is a live session. Once I'll click on this, see.
No, this
But
thing does
ma'am, it
not
is
come in that app.
It's not shown there.
yes.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to say. I tried it.
It was not in your app, in your
Hello,
mobile
ma'am.
phone? Yes,
Yes.
No,
Uh,
ma'am,
Same issue I am
we
also
all are
facing.
facing problem on app, but
Same
on
thing.
browser
On
we
mobile
can
phone
do it.
app.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
by
This is
one.
the problem.
Just one by one. I just want to know, can you see this live session content, the option?
No, ma'am.
Yes, we
It's
can
not
see the
present
live
in.
session option, but there is nothing there. It's blank.
It's blank. Okay, no
But video
problem.
can't open.
Okay. For the students who can't see the live session content option, I'll guide them now only. But then those who can see the live session option
Ma'am,
but
you're
can't
not
see.
audible.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, we couldn't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, repeat it once again.
Yeah, I'm saying that for the students who are not able to see the mobile application, on the mobile application, this live session content, I'm gonna show one video. Just watch it.
Okay.
Yeah. See, on your mobile application, right? You have, what you will do is you have to scroll this. I'll just give me a minute. For example, the name is Pallavi. Hey Pallavi, then options will be there,
Yeah.
right? Design thinking and innovation, then campus to corporate readiness. Once you will click on campus to corporate readiness, then what you will see is few options will be there. Then you have to scroll these options.
Yes, we have.
So this is a, yeah, no, it's not for you. It's for everybody who can't. I mean, people are not scrolling this, and they are asking me that we are only able to see 4 options. So for them, I just want to tell everybody that scroll this, right? So team building, time management, business etiquette, and communication skills, and rest you have to scroll, and this. There will be live session content. And for your problem, what's your name?
Akshita.
Akshita. If you are not able to see anything under live session content on your mobile application, what we can do is I'll just we can check it from the back end that what problems you are facing for this, and we'll get back to you tomorrow for this.
Okay, so
right?
shall I send a mail regarding the same along with the
No,
screen?
it's I think a common problem. Maybe something is not right from the back end. So I'll get it checked tomorrow.
Over there also we have to scroll because it is seen on the next screen. First
Yeah.
you will get blank screen. You will have to scroll there also.
Wait 1 second. I am not sure.
Akshita, don't worry. This may be a technical problem.
It is loading on the second page, not on the first page.
I do agree, right? So Palak is saying there may be a technical problem, okay?
Yeah.
Even if it not be sorted out, so we have a link. Don't worry, we'll definitely share that link so that you can able to see that. Don't worry about it. We'll definitely tomorrow this problem will be sorted. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
And this I told you because some people were not scrolling also. So but they were just like कि ma'am हमें तो सिर्फ 4 ही options दिख रही हैं. For them, I just want to tell you that you have to scroll this. But this second problem was I was not aware of this, that you are not able to see the content also under live session, because when I opened it, you might have seen the content was there, right? So something is I think wrong from the back end. So we'll get it correct by tomorrow. So we'll get back to you all, right? Will that be fine?
Fine, fine, ma'am. We'll wait for it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I want to add something, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
The session. I am Shivam.
Mhm.
The session of personal branding and interpersonal skills are also uploaded on YouTube channel, Imagine XP YouTube channel.
Yes, yes,
So
that's why
people,
I'm saying if this link will not, I mean, I'm talking about this app, right? So if it will not work, we'll definitely share link with you guys. Don't worry about it.
yes.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, then everybody. Palak, can I sign off now?
Yeah, sure.
Thank
It's up
you.
to you.
Thank you, guys. See you then.
Thank you, Palak ma'am.
Hello.
Thank
very
you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.